A doodle doodle da da. A doodle doodle da da da. Yeah, yeah.
Tamari writes, I've got a question for Ask Amy. My Jack Russell is getting freakier as she gets older. Loud noises like thunder make her shake uncontrollably and crawl up into my face. I've been given a prescription for Xanax for her. But what else can I do before drugging her up? I will wrap her in a blanket, talk to her in a soothing voice, etc., but I can't do that all day long. We live near Camp Pendleton, and some days, like today and yesterday, they test stuff that goes boom! It rattles the windows and everything. Okay, truth be told, it kind of freaks me out too. But it makes little dog insane. Got any advice? As much as I like trying to write with a dog climbing inside my shirt, it gets old. Oh, I feel for you. I really do. There are a number of things that you can do. The Xanax, of course, will help. Takes a while for that medication to build up in the bloodstream to levels so that it will actually work. So follow your veterinarian's advice with that. There's also some over-the-counter things you can do. I love the Thunder shirt. You can get that. It works in a percentage of dogs, really helps kind of calm them down and soothe them. There's some pet music made just for pets that also helps calm them down. White noise. You can tune the radio station just to static on a low kind of a sound, and that can block out some of the scary noises. One thing that can help, earplugs. That will work not only for you, but it may also help for your little dog. I had a local veterinarian suggest this. He had a client that lived near a gun range where the folks were practicing, and the dogs were going nuts. And so take some cotton balls. Be very careful with this though, of course, but you put the cotton balls inside, and that can kind of muffle the sound there. All of these different things in combination can help. It's helpful just to, yes, talk with the dog. Try to avoid baby talk though, and depending on the type of response that you give, sometimes you can kind of reward the behavior even when they're not really scared to death, but they figure, hey, this is a way for mom to pay attention to me. So temper it a little bit. Say, yeah, I know that was a loud noise, scared me too, but I'm here, nothing to worry about.
A doodle doodle da da.